If you want to go from this to this, then keep on watching because this is the Unrecognizable makeup tutorial. Begin by using an eye cream to hydrate the eye area. I'm using a Korean no-rinse bubble mask instead of a primer. It's perfect for oily skin during summertime. Make sure to dry it fully before beginning. I'll pretend I didn't nearly go blind while putting the contacts in. Fill your brows with a cream pencil for that natural airbrushed finish, since this look leans more towards the soft side. Then use a concealer for eye base. I like this one because it's neither too thick nor too thin, so it will not give you that heavy feeling like there's too much on your eyes. For carving the brows, use a higher coverage concealer for defined eyebrows. For accurate and beginner-friendly application, use tape and align it according to your eyes. Choosing a neutral eyeshadow for transitioning, I'm applying it all over the eyelid. Keep a light grip for all the eyeshadow process. Then choosing a brighter color for contrast, I'm applying it outer corner and blending it in. Lastly, a dark eyeshadow to go over the lid. Then take a clean, fluffy brush and blend. Remember, blending is your best friend here. Final touch, applying a shimmer or glitter over the entire lid using your ring finger. Take a juicy eyeliner to tie it all together. This is most important because it literally brings your entire look together, and the tape makes it so easy. Just draw a guideline and fill it in. If you guys want, I can make a detailed tutorial for solely eyeliner application. Now the most satisfying part, taking the tape off. Not gonna lie, this did hurt a bit. Remember to be gentle, don't rip it off, and voila, look at that. So crispy and the tape caught the excess. Repeat the same for the other eye and clean up with concealer if necessary. Apply concealer in the inner and outer corner. And dry it down a bit, then take a beauty blender and gently blend it out. I really love this concealer because it doesn't crease and it's not cakey. Take your foundation and a flat brush and apply it on your face in thin layers. This is a trick I picked up in East Asian makeup. And then blend it out by a foundation sponge. I'm using my favorite cream blush, taking the top pink shade and placing it precisely, then blending it out with a beauty blender and the same foundation sponge for that flush from within look. Then bake your face with flat blender and use a fluffy brush for hard to reach places. I'm bronzing my cheeks, forehead, and jaw so you don't see that I've been eating a bit too much of cake. Take a peachy blush powder and top your blush. Take an angled brush for nose contour. Draw 2 straight vertical lines down your nose and 2 horizontal lines at the tip, and blend it into the brows so it's not cut off awkwardly. Apply light powder at the sides of your nose to make it more defined. Before falsies, curl your lashes. I'm using clusters here, all of the same size and shape. Take your glue and use tweezers for application. Push it up a bit by your fingers. If you have eyes like mine, I suggest not applying it on the corner because it makes your eyes look really droopy. Also, don't apply mascara if you're applying clusters. It makes everything too sticky. Then just repeat for the rest of your eye, do the same for your other eye, and you're done with lashes. Let the glue dry a bit. This is the look of satisfaction. Clean up your lips and use a light brown shade to really contour your lip line. This is literally building a lip from scratch. Blend it out with your fingers. I'm using this tint as a base color and it's such a pretty pink. Then using another tint on the inner parts of my lips for that ombre effect. Lastly, topping it all off with a glossy lipstick. This lippy is such a gag. I mean, just look at my lips. Now change your outfit, take your hairpins out, flick your hair a bit. Clearly, I love touching my hair too much. And that's it. Now you know how to make people do a double take. This is literally shape-shifting. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.